Okay, done. So, good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to Kranthi Keen Academy YouTube channel. So, now finally the exam has been completed, and you have seen the math paper. It's very easy. So, myself Naresh, I am going to explain you the mathematics set B answer key. So, let's start the first question. So, today is Navodaya set B maths key. I am going to explain you. So, the first. I hope you all you written very well because the paper is very easy, right? So this is the maths question starts from 41. So what is the answer? First, the product of 0.2 and 0.03 is how much? Just you have to do the product here. So forget what I said you in my class. So forget about the digit while you are doing the decimal. So forget about the decimal value. Then first 2 into 3 how much? 6. 6 means after decimal how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits means see 0.006. So this is the answer. So which option? Option A is the answer. 41 A. Next. Next 42. How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 11? So how many prime numbers are there? See, between 1 and 11. So don't include the 11 here because he does not said here from 1 and 11. He said only between 1 and 11. So 2, 3, 5, 7. So there are how many prime numbers are there between 1 and 11? There are 4 prime numbers. So 42 is answer B. Next, 43. The greatest common factor of 20 and 30 is directly. HCF of 20 and 30 is what? 10. Option C is the answer. Why not 5? Because among these two, which is the highest? 10 is the highest. So, greatest common factor of 5 and 20 and 30 is 10. Next, 44. The following on a simplification gives what? So, 6.082 plus 60.82 plus 608.2 minus 608 point means. So, what is the answer? So, 674.4938. Option B. 44 option B. 44 option 44. See, if you add first, you have to add these values, then subtract the result minus this one. So we'll get the 674.4938. So option 44 is option B. Next 45. The product of 999, 999 and 9999. So what is the answer? So directly 45 C. This is the answer. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, 99 lakhs, 89,000. One is the answer. So 45 option C. 99 lakhs, 89,000. One. The product of 9,999 and 9,999. So the sum of the 46. Sum of all factors of 64 is what? So sum of the all factors of 64 means, see, factors of 64 first. 1, 2, next 4, 8, next 16, 32, 64. So 64 plus 32, 96, 96 plus 16, 112, 112 plus 8, 120, 124, 126, 127. So which option? 127 is the option. Option C. 46, option C. Next 47. 46 option C. Next 47. Option C is sum of the all factors of 64 is 127. Next option 47. 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 into 2 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. See, divided by 3 by 2 means the fraction should be reciprocal. 2 by 3 into 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 2 get cancelled, 3 3 get cancelled. Here 1. 1 into 2. 2. 2 plus 3 by 2. So LCM is 2. So LCM 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 2. So which option? Option C is the answer. 47 C. 47 option 7 by 2. Option C. Next 48. 48. The 100 centimeter square converted to meter square means what? Directly 0.01 meter square is the answer. 48 B. Next, because see centimeter square. So centimeter square can be written as centimeter into centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 100 meters. Sorry, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 0.1 into 0.1. So 0.01 meter square. Next, 49 option 48 is option C. 49 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1 is equal to how much? First, forget about the decimal values. So select the constant values. 1 into 1 into 1. How much? 1. So after decimal, how many digits are there? Here 1, here 1, and here 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So after decimal, there should be 3 digits. So what is the product we got? 1. So 0.001. So after decimal, there is 3 digits. So which option? Option B is the answer. 49. Option B. Next 50. 9,000, sorry, 999 divided by 1000 in decimal form is. How many zeros are there in decimal? 3 zeros. So there should be 3 digits after decimal. So point 0.999 means 0.999. Which option? So option C is the answer. 50 option C. Next 51. 0.238 is equal to the fraction. So he has given in decimal, convert into fraction means 238. After decimal, how many digits are there? 3 digits. So keep 3 zeros here. So 2 cancel with the 2 table. 2 11s are 22 plus 1. 2 9s are 18. 2 5 hundreds are. So 119 by 500 is the answer. Which option? 51 option A. So very easy. 51 option A. He has given the basics questions. Next 52. 52. There were 500 eggs in a box. 3 by 25 of them are broke, and 1 by 5 of them of the total are to be kept for the guest. The number of eggs which can be used is, so see uh, total 500. So in that 1 by 5 of them are used for guest means first 1 by 5. How much? 100. So 100 is for guest. Next, uh, 3 by 5 of them are broke means 500 into 3 by 5. How much? 5 ones are 500s are. So 3 by 5 of them are broke. Okay. 500. So 300 means 300. 500 in a box. So 25 here. So 25 ones are 25 20s are. So 20 into 3 60. So here 100 is used for guest and 60 is 60 eggs are broken. So total how much? 160. So from total 500 eggs. So how many eggs are used? Then we have to calculate 500 minus 160. How much? The number of eggs should be used is 340. So what is the answer? Option C. 340 is the answer. Next, 52C. The length of the fifth side of a pentagon is, with a perimeter 80 centimeters, and the sum of the lengths of the whose four sides is 63 centimeters. See, he has given the pentagon. So pentagon has 5 sides. So 4 sides perimeter is 63. We have to find the fifth side directly. 80 minus 63. So how much? 17. So which option? Option D. 53B. 54. A train left for Delhi for Jaipur at 10:45 a.m. So, and the reached Jaipur at 3:30 p.m. The time of the journey is how much? So, he's asking the train left at 10:45 a.m. and reached the station at 3:30 p.m. So, what is the time of the journey the train took? So, for that we have to calculate. First, take the 3:30 p.m. here and convert into 24 hours format. Then it will be easy for you to calculate the time. So, 3:30 p.m. convert into 24 hours means 3:30 p.m. Convert into 24 hours means add 12 hours. So it will be converted into 24 hours format, right? Now subtract this 10:45 a.m. from this reached value, reached time. So what is the answer? See, 15:30 minus what is the initial time? 10:45. See, so 30 is less than 45. So take 1 hour to minutes. Means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So plus 60 means here 90. Here 14 will be remain. So 90 minus 45, 45. Next 14 minus 10, 4. So 4 hours, 45 minutes. So the train took the journey time is 4 hours, 45 minutes. Option B, 54, B. Next 55. 54 option B 55. A fruit seller bought apples for rupees 1500 and spent 100 in bringing the apples to his shop. So what is the cost price? 1500 plus 100 because he spent 100 rupees in bringing the apples to his shop. So 1500 plus 100 how much? 1600. So CP is equal to how much? 1600. Next, he sold these apples for a total of how much? 2236. So SP is equal to how much? 2236. Now, how much profit did he earn? So, SP is greater than CP. Then we'll get the profit. So, profit means SP minus CP. So, SP is how much? 2236 minus 1600. So, what is the answer? 36 and 6. 636 is the profit he got. So, which option? Option B is the right answer. 55 profit is 636. Next. 56. The missing number in the given expression is what? So missing number in the given expression. So 8. See here minus 86 and minus 86. Nothing but minus 172. So first minus 58394 minus 172. How much? 2, 2, 2, 5, 8. So this is the total value. So let the blank will be x. Now is equal to x into 86. We want x value means bring this 86 to LHS. Then it will become division. So 58 triple 2 by 86. How much? What is the value? 656. 677. 86 1 ja 86. 677 ja. So option A is the 56. Option A is the answer. 677. Next. 56 option A 677. 57. A shopkeeper bought a wall clock for rupees 200 and sold it at a profit of 40 rupees. The selling price of the wall clock is how much? So he bought it for 200. So CP is equal to 200. Next, he sold it for a profit of 40 rupees. Profit means, see, SP is equal to CP plus profit. Means, what is the profit? 40 rupees. So 200 plus 40. So what is the SP? 240 rupees. So what is the option? Option C. 57 C. Next 58. The sum of all interior angles of a right rectangle is. So this is the rectangle. So each angle has 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. What he asked? Sum of the all interior angles means inside angles of a rectangle is 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90, 270, 270 plus 90, 360. So sum of all interior angles of rectangle is 360. 58 is A. Option A. Next. 59. See, he given a bar graph, and he asked that a survey of 115 families. There are total number of families are how much? 115. The number of children in each family was recorded, and the data has been represented by the bar graph. So in y-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. In y-axis, he has given the number of families. In x-axis, he has given the number of children. So what he is asking, the number of families having no child is, means, so we have to find number of families having no child, means, so already he has given the number of in survey how many families are there? There are 115, right? So from 115 families, how many families have children, means, see, 20, 20, 30, 35 means how much? And 5. So 5 plus 20, 25. 25 plus 30, 55. 55 plus 35, 90. So 115 minus 95. How much? Sorry, 90. So 5 plus 20, 25, 25, 35, 35, 55, 55 plus 30, 9, 35, 95. So 5, 2. So there are 25 families which have no children. So which option? Option C. Option C is the answer. See, total 115 families have been surveyed. So in that 90 families have children. So number of families have no children is 115 minus 90, how much? 25. So option C is the answer. 25 families have no children. Next, last question. 60. A complete angle is equal to how much? Complete angle is always 360 degrees. 360 degrees means one right angle has 90 degrees. Next, two right angle means 180 degrees. Three right angle means 270 degrees. Four right angles means 360 degrees. So complete angle means 360 degrees. So option D is the answer. So we have completed the maths key. So I hope you all got the reasonable key and you got 50 tough in maths, because it is very easy. So let's hope, and we start with the reasoning also. So now, reasoning. Reasoning.
Hello, hello everyone. Now we are explaining the mental ability. This is the today's paper in the mental ability in the only odd man out, and next series we need to little bit confusion. Remaining all are easy only. Okay. First, see, this is the first part. It is a first part. It is the odd man out. See here, this is the 90 degrees. The angle between two 90 degrees, but it is a greater than 90. That is the reason. Answer is the D for this. Next, these are all the mirror images. It is the direct image. That is the reason answer is D. These are the half of. Here, the we are discussing. This is a set B paper, and this is the odd man out. Next one, fourth one. Here, see fourth one. The answer is the C. Water image, water image, water image, water image, water image. But here the shape is image. That is the reason D. This is the little bit confusion question in the odd manner. Next, similarities. Same figure we need to find. Similar figure it is in the C, and here it is in the B. Check the arrows, everything. And next, seventh one similarity is the same figure. It is in C. If you observe, this will be the ball, and here it is the C. And next, third part is the incomplete figure. Incomplete figure, here there is the elimination method you have to. See here, this is not at all answer, but these three are the same. But that time you have to check the lines 1, 2, 3 are. It is in the B. And here the answer is the C, incomplete figure. And next 11th one, the answer is the same circle, this shape it is will be the D. And next here also it is the D. And next is the series, the 13th question series, either increasing or decreasing. If you observe line become extra, it is in B. Here 3, 4, 5. 5 we have placed this D only to think about also this question. Next here it will be the 4 increasing order. It is coming in here 4 C, and here it is rotating anti-clockwise. Now arrow will come, this shape will come, and line will come, and this line. This will be in the D. And next bit is the analogy. Analogy. Analogy, most of the cases before also we explained. Nothing, it's rotated anti-clockwise. Same, it rotated anti-clockwise. It will come up. The arrow will come high. And this is in the A. And it is exactly mirror image. Same mirror image here. It is in the C. And this is the little bit confusion. Actually, here what happened, see here, this is here came and this 2, 3 becomes a 2. Here also, it is also same opposite direction. Here mainly, most of the cases children will keep B, but mainly here, the case of this changed, means the answer will be the C. Next here also it is in A. And next 21, cutting figures. Cutting figure 21A, 22 ball, 23 C, 23 ball, 24 ball. These are the answers. And next part is the mirror image. Mirror image, left goes to right. All they gave the mirror image only. This will be the B, and this is the B. And next here, this is the next 27 is the ball. Here it is the A. And next is the paper folding figures. Paper folding figures here, they folded like that, and this up, you will get like that, and dots here, it is in the C. Here also, here curve will come, this shape, it is in the B. And next is the 31. 31, here they folded and we got this shape, means in the diamond it will come, the line here will come, it is in the B. It will come like that. In the circle, it will come like that. This is in the D. And next one is the shape of the triangle figures. They gave very easy directly. Triangles, this is the C. And here it is curved one, it is in the B. And next here, it is in the B. And next here, it is in the A. And next one is the 37 to hidden figures. Hidden figures is the B. And next A. Next, here it is the B and it is the A. These are the answers for the mental ability. The question paper is very easy. Okay, we will continue for the English. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ramya. I'm going to give you the key on English of set B. So the first passage is today giant pandas are found only in the bamboos forest of the central China and in small numbers in Tibet. Bamboo forests provide them food, shelter, as well as safety. Giant pandas spend most of their time wandering in the bamboo forest, chewing the bamboo shoots as they feed only the bamboo shoots and that too in the huge quantities. There isn't always enough food for them. Due to the excessive hunting and the destruction of their natural habitat, these exotic animals are nearing the extinction. They can be seen only in the zoos, where it is not an easy thing to take care of the giant pandas because it would be difficult to find the food to them. So the first question is why is it difficult to take care of a giant panda in the zoo? The answer is C. The answer is C. It is difficult to find out enough food to feed them. Next question 62. What is the staple food of the giant pandas? The answer is bamboo shoots. 63. Why is the exotic animals nearing the extinction? Most of them are kept in the zoos for the entertainment. B option is due to the excessive hunting and the destruction of their natural habitat. So the answer is B. 64. Which of the following words is an antonym of the word giant? Big. So the opposite of the giant is tiny. Next one. Zoo is a place where the birds are kept in a cages. The animals eat and take rest. Children go to their entertainment animals. Animals and the birds are kept in a zoo. The answer is animals and birds are kept in an enclosure. B. So next passage is caged behind thick glass, the most famous dancer in the world cannot be missed in the National Museum, Delhi. The dancing girl of the Mohenjo-daro is rare artifact made of bronze. Our school textbooks also communicate a wealth of our 5,000 years heritage of the art. A series of the bangles of shells, ivory, or thin metal, Adam, her left upper arm down to the fingers. It is a modern art with a necklace with three pendants bunched together and a few bangles above the elbow and wrist on their right hand. She speaks of the fearless human spirit and reminds us of the impact that a work of art leaves on our senses. The dancing girl, the first question, 66th question is the dancing girl is caged behind thick glass because she is a most famous dancer. Question. 67th question. The pendants are a part of necklace. Okay. Read the statements and choose the correct option from the given below. Her bangles are made up of the shells and the thin. Second option. She wears a necklace made up of ivory. The answer is, which of the following is not a part of the synonym? Timid. The word the articraft means the statues made up of the bronze. Sonam was staring at the new cycle of a display at the shop. She was amazed to see a new shiny red cycle. Her father noticed it and said to her, "Come along, we need to get going." Sonam had a last look at the cycle and followed her father. She went to bed thinking about the shiny red cycle. The next day, she kept talking about the cycle to her friends in a school. When she returned home, she noticed a new cycle parked near the gate. She screamed in joy, calling out to her mother. Her parents came out smiling and told her that it was her birthday gift and gave her the cycle. Sonam was delighted and hugged her parents. First question. Sonam went with her father. Sonam was attracted by the shiny red cycle in the shop. Sonam parents Sonam parents presented her the new red cycle. Option A as a birthday gift. Sonam showed her happiness by hugging her parents. The word amazed means surprised. Flowers are useful to us in many ways. Flowers come in different colors and shapes. They are a symbol of beauty. Flowers are used in religious worship. Bouquet of the flowers are given to show love and appreciation. Flowers are strung as garlands and used to adorn deities and honor celebrities. Flowers are arranged in vases to add the beauty to our living environment. Flowers have par- partial uses they are used to make the perfumes, tea, and cosmetic products. Certain flowers are used as medicines. In short, flowers are important because they have positive impact on the body and the mind. First question. Flowers are dash to us in many ways, are useful. Flowers are found in different colors and shapes. The practical uses of the flowers are making tea, perfumes, and cosmetic products. Dash flowers are used to make the medicines. Some. The word impact means effect. Thank you.